Do you want to know how you can earn extra credits in Starry AI? If yes, then this video is for you. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can earn Starry AI credits for free. Go ahead and open starryai.com on your Chrome or Edge browser and then log into your account. You can see the credits option here. Click on credits. You can buy the credit, and if you want to earn credits, go ahead and click earn credits. Scroll down and you can see that if you join the Starry AI club, you can earn 1000 credits. If you share some post on Twitter, you can get 3 credits. Same goes for Instagram, Reddit and TikTok. So go ahead and click details. You can scroll down and see that if you receive 500 likes on your photo, you will receive 25 credits, and the number increases as the number of likes will be increased. Now if you want to earn credits using Twitter, go to Twitter and read the description over here. You must follow the requirements and read the how. So go ahead and insert your Twitter username on your Starry AI profile, verify it, and then you can mention the tweet like get Starry AI or made with get Starry AI, and then you must have 25 followers. Your account should be public and you cannot start a tweet with @. After that, you can earn 3 credits. Same goes to Instagram, Reddit and TikTok. Go ahead and fill them up and get yourself extra credits to create some animations or photos using Starry AI. I hope this video on how you can earn extra credits in Starry AI was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.